Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a 10-minute makeup glam challenge. So when I say glam, I mean glam. Like, I'm not talking just mascara and a little soft crease. I'm talking lashes, lips, highlight, glow, everything. I'm like kind of scared, but I'm also like ready to take on the challenge because I have made like a little strategy in my head. And wait, what am I doing? Are we starting? Hold on. So I think I'm ready to tackle this. So I'm gonna put my phone on airplane mode so no one calls me and interrupts the timer. Let's do that now. Airplane mode, awesome. Okay, set at 0. I'm just gonna pin my hair back because this will bother me. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Okay. Okay, ready? Oh my God, I'm not. Okay, hold on. We got this. We got this. We're just gonna do it. Ready, set, go. Oh my God. Okay. Priming my eyes. Ah! Oh my God. Nope. Okay, too far. I need another concealer. We got this. It's okay. Okay, so the way I'm gonna tackle this, guys, usually you would do like a really bold lip to make your look seem as if you tried more. Make your look as if you've tried more. But I'm not gonna do that because in order for me to do a red lip, I need like time for precision. So I am gonna do more on the eyes. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I do not like this concealer to prime, but we're just gonna completely skip the priming step right now. Okay, I'm thinking like a warm little bronzy smoky eye. Let's see how far that goes. I want to just kind of, okay, you know what I do? I want to take it slow. Because I don't want to rush. I don't want to like be in panic mode. I feel like when you're in a panic mode, you kind of just lose yourself. So I'm going to compose myself right now. See? Look at my blend. It's working. I will not talk about the products I'm using right now, but I will mention everything in the description box. Because I feel like if I sit and talk about the products, I'll continue to ramble and I don't want to do that. What are we at? We're at 128. What? Oh my God, I might not finish this. Okay, a little bit of this. Okay, at 5 minutes, I need to be like already contouring my face. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Okay. I think if I set like time limits for me, that'll be great. The last 2 minutes, I need to be doing lashes and lips because those are like the most essential part of glam. So I feel like if I make my eyes look really dark and like shimmery, it'll look as if I tried, but I also don't want this to be messy. So I'm not doing a good job at that. I'm just gonna go with it. Warm tones will never fail you. Ever. I don't even know what palette this is. 15D. Okay, Morphe. Shimmer. I'm gonna grab a shimmer lid. I'm gonna grab a shimmer color with my finger. Let's do this one. No, I don't like these. Let's grab into this one. Yeah, I like this one. Okay. Oh yeah. This is really pretty. See? 2 minutes, 48 seconds, and I already have the eye look done. Why am I calm right now? Like I need to be more alert that I only have another 7 minutes. Okay, brush. Where was my brush? I'm just gonna use this one, blend out the shimmer. I do want a little bit of a darker crease. Oh my God, I'm spending too much time on eyes. Someone stop me, someone stop me. It's not bad, you guys. I'm actually liking it. I want to add a little bit of darkness on the outer corner. Right there. I'm so gonna regret doing this after. Oh my God, disaster. We're at 3:37. I am so not gonna make it. Moving on. I don't think I'll make it to lashes, but that's the challenge. You gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, so my skin was moisturized. I'm not priming at all because don't got time for that. I'm using the, let's do this foundation. Squirt all that out. Done. Okay. Beauty blender is washed. I hope this is my shade. We don't got time for shade matching right now. Okay. Why did I wear a robe? I'm sweating. Literally. You guys, I feel like I should have used a brush for this. Is brush faster? I mean, not is brush. Our brush is faster for application. No, actually, never mind. We're at 427. See that? 427. Okay, actually, I think I'm gonna get this done. I'm gonna get, is it gonna look nice? But is it gonna be done? That's what we're gonna do. Down my neck, because this is so not my color. You know, I feel like I don't even need lashes. I'm trying to talk my way out of doing them, but realistically, like, the mascara that I'm gonna use is gonna make my lashes look bomb. So, 502 people, 502. I'm gonna hate the way my skin looks this whole day. Whatever. Okay, done. Done. Concealer. Yeah, okay. Where are we at? 522. Dude, this hurts. Like, your arm is beat right now. Oh, my arm, because I'm the one beating this face. A little bit on my forehead, because this does not look like my usual face. 544. 544. This concealer is not doing it for me right now. Maybe I'll just add a little bit. No, we don't got time. Okay, powder. I'm gonna try to do some powder, okay. Let's dig in my... Oh my god. I used the glow setting powder for under my eyes. Nuh-uh, Disaster. You thought that was a disaster? This is a disaster. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna have creasing like a crazy ass lady, okay? This is gonna be all bad. What are we at? 6:34. There isn't time. Okay, I'm not gonna powder the rest of my face with my Cover FX powder. I'm just gonna use this to make sure nothing is wet on my face. Bronzer. Are you bronzer? Or you're not bronzer? You're bronzer. Thank you so much. Okay, bronzing brush. What are we at? 702. Oh my god. Okay. 702. 709. We got this. Oh my god, I forgot I have brows I have to fill in. We don't got this. Okay. Bronzer's good. Blush. Time for blush. Okay. Brows. 7:30. It is 7:30. Brows are going to be on fleek right now. Ooh, pressure is not good. Okay, you know what? No, I'm almost done with brows. Who am I lying to, man? Like, really? Okay. I will never get over the fact that I just used the glow setting powder to set underneath my eyes. That has been my fear. Fear. That glow powder is awesome, but not for my under eye area, if you will. Wait, what the heck? Did my timer stop? Oh, 809. Oh my god, 809. Don't think I'm gonna get to lashes. Oh my god, I really thought I was gonna get this done. Okay. Stay positive, Susie. Stay positive. Okay. Done. 831. Let me just drag a little color underneath my crease. I mean, what is this? What is this called? Eyes? Yeah, underneath my lash line. I wish someone could have just glued my lashes for me right now. I'm not even gonna bother. Okay. Lash glue. I have a minute. Am I doing lashes? No, I'm just gonna do mascara. no time for lashes. That would be very stupid because a minute is left for highlight, lashes, and lips. Oh my god. 9:11, 9:12. I hope I have a lippy here. I don't. Oh no, I do. Do I? Yeah, I have a gloss, okay. 9:27. I hate this. Oh my god, I hate this. This is nasty. 36. Highlight! Oh my god, I didn't highlight my face. Oh my god, where's my glow? Where's my glow? Where's my glow? I have 10 seconds. Oh, I didn't even put a face on. 52, 53, 56, 58, and 10. I hate my makeup. Okay, we did it. I want to just analyze this for a second. Okay, let's analyze. So I really thought I was gonna get to everything. I'm talking lashes, cream, I didn't even cream contour. Who did I think I was attempting this challenge? Hate my lips, absolutely hate it. I don't even know what is this. This is wet cherry gloss. Not my vibe. I have no eyeliner inside my eyes, which is very rare. I didn't even have time to clean off the mascara residue from my under eye area. I didn't even highlight my brow bone. Okay, I didn't highlight my brow bone. I didn't get a chance to put lashes on. I didn't put eyeliner inside my eyes. No lip lining. I didn't do my regular cream highlight and then powder over top. I didn't cream contour. My face is completely off from my body. I didn't set underneath my eyes with the right powder. I can't believe I did that. Guys, just so for those of you who don't know what the glow powder is from Mercier, I couldn't explain it during my disaster moment. This is the regular translucent and this is the glow. The glow is a beautiful product, don't get me wrong. I like to place it on my cheeks, like a little bit right there, but I do not prefer to set my under eyes with this product because it really shows your creasing, and I crease underneath my eyes a lot. That's what happens when you're in a rush, but I really do think if you're not like everywhere all over the place, you can get it done. But 10 minutes is tough, okay? It's very hard. My poor lashes, I had them right here, ready. They were ready to go. They were ready for that, just that win, you know? I even teared the glue off in advance so I can make sure that I'm just gonna be like, you know, grabbing the lash glue, squeezing them and putting it on. Nothing. Nothing. Lovely. I will see you all in the next video and I will be much more glammed and put together. If you guys like my 10-minute disaster makeup challenge, give it a thumbs up. It does help me. Let me know what you want to see next, and yeah, that's all I have to say. Mwah. Bye guys.